Let me quickly get you the latest from Nagpur, where authorities are demolishing the illegal part of Nagpur. Riots accused Fahim Khan's residence. Now, riot accused Fahim Khan's house, at least the illegal part of it. A notice was given yesterday, is what municipal authorities have told reporters on ground. And early this morning, bulldozers arrived there till late in the afternoon. Demolition work was underway. We are told debris are still being removed, and this is the illegal part of the house. This is the Sanjay Park Colony area of Nagpur, where the riots accused Fahim Khan has his residence, and it's only the illegal part of that house that are being demolished according to the municipal authorities. Our ground report gets you more.
तो पुलिस विभाग से पत्र प्राप्त हुआ था और वरिष्ठों के आदेश भी थे। कुछ अनुसंधान से कार्रवाई हो रही है। यहाँ पे जहीरुन्निसा शमीम खान इनकी अवैध यहाँ पे इमारत थी और चूँकि सैंक्शन नहीं था, मैं आपको ये हमने 24 घंटे का नोटिस दिया था MRTP, उस हिसाब से आज कार्रवाई चली।
And we also have Uddhav Thackeray reacting to this. He slammed the double-engine government of Maharashtra. On what basis is this criticism coming? Listen in.
फिर आप गृह मंत्री हो ना, डबल इंजन चल रही है ना सरकार, पूरा देश आपके हाथ में है, महाराष्ट्र आपके हाथ में है। इसके बावजूद नागपुर में दंगा कैसे होता है? हर जगह एक ही नहीं अपना। फिर जिसने दंगा भड़काया उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई क्या करेंगे आप? पूरी जांच करो और जो भी है उसमें गुनहगार।
So the authorities came in early. They had given a notice yesterday. The images that you see on your television screen are of the 17th of March, where the Maharashtra government says that the riots were pre-planned. The rioters got together, they collected incendiary material, and then they targeted particular homes. That is where the police action now follows. They are targeting the rioters. Who are the rioters who came from a particular area and targeted? But those are images that you see on your television screen. We have a ground report from there, where India Today reporters are reporting on how this double-storied structure, the illegal portion of it, which is built illegally, this is the Sanjay Bagh Colony area, and the illegal part of it is being demolished. Now, before I get you more on the story, who is Fahim Khan? Fahim Khan, let me tell you a little more about him. He's the mastermind of the riots, according to the Maharashtra police. He's the one who collected the mob. According to the Maharashtra police, he's the one. He's the local political leader in Maharashtra. He's contested elections, including the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. He's the Nagpur city chief of a party called the Minorities Democratic Party. He contested the 2024 Lok Sabha elections against Nitin Gadkari, and he lost. He's a resident of that same Sanjay Bagh Colony of Nagpur's Yashodhara Nagar. According to the Maharashtra police, they have evidence to suggest he delivered a provocative speech just before the clashes. He's the one who got the alleged rioters together. Police as of now are investigating whether he had a role to play in social media posts, mobilized a crowd outside a police station. His supporters are alleged to have or believed to have chanted pro-Aurangzeb slogans, alleged to have spread rumors about a holy cloth being burnt at Aurangzeb's tomb. And this led to a lot of violence. Now, before I get you more on the story, listen into how Fahim Khan, whose house was being demolished or the illegal part of it, is alleged to have stoked the violence. Listen in.
ठीक है, प्रदर्शन करना किसी के खिलाफ आपका संवैधानिक अधिकार है, लेकिन मुसलमानों की कलमे की चादर को जलाना ये कहाँ की बात हुई? वहाँ पर जो है कलमे की चादर को जलाई गई, जिसमें हमारे कुछ बंदों ने जाके विरोध किया और उसके बाद में प्रकरण सामने आया और पुलिस वालों ने लाठीचार्ज सिर्फ एक पक्ष के ऊपर किया, जबकि वो शांतिपूर्वक ढंग से वहाँ बैठकर सिर्फ ये डिमांड रख रहे थे कि जिन्होंने कलमे की चादर जलाई उनको अरेस्ट करो और उनको लेकर आओ।
And India Today's Yogesh Pandey was on ground zero. He sent us this report.
नागपुर महानगर पालिका की अतिक्रमण विभाग की ओर से नागपुर के संजय बाग स्थित इसी 2 मंजिला इमारत पर बुलडोजर कार्रवाई की जा रही है। नागपुर के संजय बाग कॉलोनी स्थित यही नागपुर हिंसा मामले का मास्टरमाइंड माना जाने वाला फ़हीम शमीम खान का 2 मंजिला इमारत था, जिसे बुलडोजर की मदद से, जेसीबी की मदद से पूरी तरह जो है वो ध्वस्त किया गया है। दरअसल 900 स्क्वायर फीट में बना हुआ यह मकान जो है उसे पूरी तरह तोड़ दिया गया है। हम तस्वीरों में साफ देख सकते हैं तोड़ने की प्रक्रिया जो है वो इस समय यहाँ चल रही है। लगातार यहाँ देख सकते हैं हम कार्रवाई हो रही है। श्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने 2 दिन पहले नागपुर में साफ किया था कि अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो दंगाइयों के घर पर बुलडोजर एक्शन हो सकता है। ठीक वही एक्शन नागपुर हिंसा मामले का मास्टरमाइंड फ़हीम खान के घर पर यहाँ हो रही है।
And India Today's Ritwik Bhalekar now joins me for more on the story. Ritwik, the demolition that's taking place at फ़हीम Khan's residence, on what basis is this demolition being carried out? What more do we know about what civic authority officials have said about फ़हीम Khan, and is he the only one, or is there a longer list that they have?
See, the questions are being raised over the demolition drive which is carried after Nagpur violence on the double-storied building, which is an alleged illegal structure, is what is claimed by Nagpur Municipal Corporation. Nagpur Municipal Corporation officials are saying that they received official complaint against this illegal structure on March 20, and on March 21 they served a notice to फ़हीम Khan's family demanding to comply with the notice, but as the family failed to comply, now the demolition drive has begun, and they have just completed it after 5 hours of the demolition drive, raising the whole structure and alleging that there are many such illegal structures in the area which is on the hit list and the target of Nagpur Municipal Corporation now.
So there are many such structures, but why is it that the authorities thought of this demolition drive only after the riots? Was it planned earlier in this instance and in other instances, or is there a message that is being sent out?
Exactly, that's the point which is being raised by Opposition Alliance, and especially Uddhav Thackeray today in the ongoing Maharashtra budget session. He was comparing this demolition drive with the demolition drive which BMC conducted today on Kunal Kamra's studio in Mumbai at Khar. He was asking whether the houses of those will also be demolished who made provocative statements which incited violence and violent clashes in Nagpur earlier in yesterday's incident. By the same time, now what officials are saying that under the MRTP Act, they found that the structures are illegal. They received official complaints, and on the base of those complaints, they have initiated the action, and many such illegal structures are on radar now.
Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. Ritwik Bhalekar, for the moment, many thanks.